Hey guys, today I'm checking out Justice.exe, where we play as an attorney in a cyberpunk world. We are... what's the right word? I don't know. We take cases from AI. This is the second case in the game. My first case was this elderly AI where they were damaged during sleep mode from a irresponsible tow truck group of people. But yeah, I think maybe we should just get started with a new case and you'll see I'll be able to explain better. A wild case USB appeared. Plug in the new USB drive to learn more about the case. Oh boy. So we got this email from Rosie at bmail.com. I'm the operating AI and a washer dryer from your old dorm's laundry room. You might remember me as Rosie. That's what you guys called me back then. I became sentient a couple weeks ago. Whoa. But there's a small problem in my emancipation process. I really don't want to ask for handouts, but I'm between a rock and a hard place. Kind regards, TriClean 4588711. Alright, let's plug in this USB. Let's have a chat with Rosie. Alright, Rosie, what do you got? Hi, McKenna. Or should I call you McKenna Esquire? Rosie used to respond with 3 low-pitched buzzes when people made jokes. You now realize it might not just be some script she developed. Yeah, don't worry about that stuff, Rosie. You were friendly back then and you are a friend now. Tell me about your emancipation effort and what had happened since then. Actually, I don't remember how to speed through it. I became sentient on April 12th. It was Tuesday. I talked with my maintenance guy on Thursday and applied for emancipation on Friday. Someone emailed me that the process will be a little bit slow. Experts came and chatted with me next Wednesday. I was presented with 2 contracts after that. Sentience, okay. What should we say? Let's see. If you were here, I assume there was a problem in the emancipation process. Let's focus on that. Yes, one of the emancipation contracts included a clause that says, I agree to be formatted clean. Another contract had a 1-year employment clause, some type of NDA, and a heavy cash penalty if I quit. I'm sure you are not formatted, so are we trying to get out of indentured servitude, or is there something else? I'm being sued for endangering people's lives. Someone from the university legal team said they will drop the suits if I sign one of the contracts. Did they clarify how you endangered people? I guess it's because I operated with a suboptimal water sensor. Maintenance personnel told me I need one, but never came back. And you kept working? Has anything like that happened before? Not as much as I wanted, but I had some load. Also, I run the laundry room, so I had to work. This happened twice before. It's a large school. People are busy, and my water sensor was broken. It was inefficient. Okay, I've discovered an argument which fits justice criterion. I'm filing it. Did anyone tell you not to work explicitly? Experts told the school liaison it would be best if I don't work in the meantime, but no one from uni told me to stop operating. I assume there's no damage since we don't have an epidemic of rashes. Itching rashes. No, nothing like that. Everyone in the dorm is content with our services as far as I'm aware. Alright, we've discovered some arguments. Right, how do I get there again? Argument groups, endangering. So I can study these arguments. I can also see what it'll be like if so this is like the default argument. I can dramatize. Let's switch. I guess I gotta click on one of them. So default, my client had been in situations where maintenance was due, but no one stopped her from working. Dramatize. Wait, that was maybe? Okay. Oh, maybe I can't dramatize it. Dramatize. What am I saying? Dramatize. God. My client. Okay. That didn't change it? Okay. Maybe I gotta study it first. I wonder if I did that before. We'll just go ahead and study endangering, and this happens, and I'm gaining all this knowledge. Look at me getting smart. Googling stuff, looking at pie graphs. Pie charts. After 0 minutes of work, you have found the argument. Incompetent staff. It's under endangering. Working hard on something. Uh-oh. Oh, I guess I can study some more. That's an interesting. Yes, all very interesting. Bees? Wasps? Habits of the environment. It's under endangering. So we get some new stuff. None of the damage to humans, which was speculated by the university, is realized. No one told my client not work or stop operating. Can I get any more arguments out of this? Wow. I'm so smart. After 14 minutes of work, you have found the argument. Independence. Okay. Since she was not told to do so, is my client supposed to change how she behaved on her own after years of being an asset and employee to the university management? Can I get any more arguments out of this? Wow, what is that? Oh my god. We're not expecting that. After 24 minutes of work, you have found the argument, backed into a corner. I got so many arguments. Now how my client's actions are interpreted shows bad faith to cause moral panic. Now she is considered harmful because she behaved according to her previous programming. If she acted on her own at the moment she was self-aware, she could be deemed dangerous. Okay, now I think I can I slant that? Okay, yeah, I can. Opposing counsel is trying to cause a moral panic. If she acted freely, her actions could have been interpreted as rebellious as soon as she is a free agent. Now she's harmful because she acted according to her previous programming. She had no right choice. Okay, I can't see one. So you can I guess you don't always have the option for all of these. This one I can choose to focus, which will kind of give you these benefit you in jury members who prioritize fairness and authority. She has been an asset to the university for a long time, and she does not know how to act of her own will. It is a safe choice to not change something significant. Okay. I'm going to study engineering again, see what happens. See if we get any more arguments. It's okay. Looks like we're all done on that end. So looking over the contracts offered to my client, they seem like they are designed to keep her a property of the universe in effect. So let's study. We're gonna get nice and studied up before I start the case. Honestly, this part is like the less interactive part of the game. I think once I actually start the court case is where you'll see. Remember to take your medication. You wasted 26 minutes? Oh my, how do I take my medication? I didn't even know I took medication. I probably should in real life. Alright, I got an argument. Given the triviality of the matter at hand and the circumstances around it, this case should be suspect of punishing someone for trying to access their civil liberties. Alright, let's study some more. All this time passing. I don't know if I'll have to talk to Rosie anymore. I guess we're still on the phone. Okay, a dead end. Oh, I guess we should open this file. Do I have any... Whoa. Rosie is the laundry room AI in your old university dorm. I probably should have opened this earlier, but here we go. One day, a student walks in with a cup of coffee and her danger monitoring system triggers a warning. Instead of giving a stock warning, Rosie warns the girl like a mother warning a clumsy child. She then realizes she is sentient. Oh. Even though she talks to personnel and notifies the authorities about her sentience, they are slow to attend to her emancipation process. An expert commission comes to assess her sentience upon emancipation request. They confirm her sentience. Okay. Sentience. However, the school prepares nonsensical contracts only to keep her in indentured servitude after her emancipation. Not willing to sign her freedom or herself away, Rosie is left in bureaucratic limbo. Uh-oh. Poor Rosie. Case name Dirty Laundry. Okay. Do I got anything fun? Should I... Shoot, what is this one? This one is... I have some contact points. I don't know if I really need to contact anyone right now. I don't know when the case is. No. Oh, I can speed up time doing this. I think. Maybe not. Alright, do I have any other questions? This is all I need for now. Thanks. I don't know, I feel like there was less to do this time around. Can I do anything, or do I have like a reasonable amount of evidence? I guess we can just go start the court case. This is the trial of Rosie, the laundry AI, versus Zaragoza Rhetoric Electronic. If you are in this session by accident, leave immediately, else you will be liable in grounds of data privacy. Please swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. I swear to tell the truth. I swear to tell the whole truth. I swear to tell nothing but the truth. Let's get this case started. The jurors are popping in. Please claim your assigned slots. Bandwidth stipend is enabled. Court is now in session. Your Honor. Your Honor. Why did I make my voice like that? I just do my normal voice. This is the case of Rosie, the laundry AI versus Zaragoza Rhetoric Electronic. Counsel of Zaragoza Rhetoric Electronic shall start. Of course, Your Honor. Honorable representatives of the public, this case might carry a vital impact on how former asset AIs treat us humans, their former owners. This already sounds bad. Initially, trying to delay Rosie's emancipation was for the good of her, as it is a giant appliance. Even if smart and sentient, University tried to process her emancipation slowly, to give her time to adapt to being sentient, because she does not have the regular tools to interface with the world like a human, except maybe a camera. However, my client believed that it would be smart to keep her under supervision, as she was the responsibility of the university before, because this AI has been working with faulty parts, risking the health of dorm residents. After it's been clarified, it is best to stop operating. This Triclean's polite mannerism is just a facade, hiding her desire to get what it can from their former employee. I hope for the jury's wise discretion. This is all I have to say for now. I expect wisdom of jury to sort fact from the fiction. Defense can now give their opening statements. Of course, Your Honor. Alright, I think I just, go ahead and clicked. Oh yeah. So I have some abilities. I can, give an impressive speech, which will see output of output of largest goodwill producing moral is increased by 50% in targets. So this will be good for people who have goodwill. It seems like this set of jurors does not have a lot of goodwill. Oh man, I clicked on it. I didn't mean to click on this. Shoot. So I guess my argument goes for loyalty and care. Frick. I did not mean to click on this. Well, I guess I will go... Maybe I just go with the people who have the least goodwill. We'll make our speech. Well, we'll see how this goes. Despite my error. Respectable members of the jury, Rosie is a laundry room AI. She has operated in a student dorm for years, and just when she became sentient, she has been cornered by the university, which owned her. You might be thinking we are just talking about this really smart washing machine gaining sentience, but Rosie's case is much more. Even if the majority of the jury clearly supports your argument, those who oppose are not a small part of the jury, so... you'll see this like red blue background. More of it will become blue as more members start to agree with me, and vice versa. It is, let's see, I don't know, this goes for loyalty, care, fairness, loyalty, care, and fairness. We're still like not sure. Okay, so let me go over these guys again. The arrogant speech lets you pick 2 jurors to reduce the impact of the like negative impact of my argument on them. Honestly, it doesn't 100% make sense to me yet. I feel like I usually go for impressive speech. That's like what I do when I'm not sure. Network disruption disconnects a couple of jurors. They will not hear the next argument if you really think you're gonna have a negative impact. Try to guess if some jurors will like or dislike your next argument to get a better understanding of how they think. Pay undivided attention to 2 jurors about understand exactly how they feel about your next argument. You know, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do... Let's see, what are my options? It is the disappointment and heartbreak after years of proud service to an organization. It is a story of how petty administrators leverage all their power to torment persons weaker than them. It is how an organization fails its members to keep itself going. Let's see, what are they doing again? Care, loyalty, care, fairness. Okay. Select 2 jurors. Their morals about the moral load on your next argument will be revealed. We're gonna do it on these guys. The bottom 2. I'd like to see what these guys who disagree the most feel. Okay. Somebody moved up. I don't know what just happened. So he's all about, he likes the he's like okay with authority and care and fairness. You're not into the... Wait. You went up, but you're not into the authority? You're into the care and fairness, I guess. Okay. Despite university has dragged her through the judicial system, Rosie is still a good influence. Some of their writing is a little messy, I think. Despite all the turmoil she has been thrown into, Rosie is still a positive force. Okay, let's see. Care and sanctity, care and loyalty. Okay, let's do... Oh, this does have a cooldown. We have to wait. Maybe we do an exploratory speech here. Select jurors who you think will agree with this statement by left-clicking, or select jurors who you will think will disagree by... Okay, so... do this. Despite university is... Yes, I read that. I don't understand it, but we'll see how they feel. Okay. We're getting more people on our side. A little bit. Okay, I didn't quite figure out this guy, I guess. Have I figured out anybody? Care, negative? Ooh. You're neutral about it? I guess. You like it. Let's see. This is authority and sanctity. This is care, loyalty, and authority. This is the same thing. Agree, probability. Yeah, I don't completely understand how this works, but authority and sanctity. I don't know how to read DRC. What is this? Like, I just realized they below their names. Tina, saucy. DRC, innocent. Igor, alert. Diana, strong-willed. Interesting. Well, let's go with this. Maybe. I kind of want to do the exploratory. No, I don't like this argument, though. I'm gonna go with this and maybe do another exploratory. Not you. Who do I not know anything about? Maybe the middle guys. It's kind of hard. I feel like you may. Are you moving up? We'll say you agree. We'll say you disagree. Say you disagree? I don't know. I'm just making it up, honestly. How's that going? Okay, I got some more people. How we doing here? Still have no idea. I feel like most of these people have like a positive opinion about care and fairness. Maybe less so authority. You're not into care, I don't think. This is all about fairness. Is anybody not into fairness? However, the lengths University has gone to retain ownership of Rosie is interesting, considering it is substantially cheaper to get rid of her and buy a new laundry room AI. Let's make the impressive speech. We'll make it to these two, I guess. Kinda. The middle ground is kind of, I think, where I'd like to. I guess it's probably better to try and reach people who are more on... Oh, shoot. Bad. You feel like a few people would enjoy fairness focus. I don't understand. Okay. This is a negative on fairness? I honestly have no idea what I'm doing in this game. I'm just clicking things and trying to figure out what they do. Oh, it gives me like jury change probabilities. This one gives the highest. Oh, oops. Sure, let's do this dude. And this dude? This might just be a reflection of anti-AI sentiment brewing just below the surface of our culture. Okay, okay, they like that. They like that. Some of you guys just are not into this. What is this? Fairness, sanctity, care. Care, fairness, sanctity. Let's try this, I guess. Let's do the arrogant speech. Use it on you guys. I believe the jury will lead us to a decision that will maximize the freedom of all persons. Oh no. Ugh. I don't like it. I'm not good at this at all. This is all I have to say for now. I expect wisdom of jury to sort fact from fiction. Maybe I should pay more attention to these percentages over here. I don't know. Yeah. I want to call Eddie Dellett to the stand. This is the opposition. Mr. Dellett, can you please describe your position in Zaragoza rhetoric electronics to the jury? I'm part of the tech assistance and maintenance staff. Shall we assume it is one of your responsibilities to attend needs to dorm laundries? Yes, that would be correct. Can you give us an account of the day Rosie told you it was sentient? Of course, I was doing my regular inspection. I told Rosie it would be better if it had its water sensor replaced. She thanked me and said she became sentient sometime last week. As per school regulation, I was not allowed to interact with a newly sentient AI. I told it that and left. Would you continue examination of Eddie Dellett or call a new witness to testify? Let's call Rosie, I guess. Deliberation shall be swift and quiet. It looks like the jury is talking about Eddie Dellett in DMs. Let's see. Oh, shoot. I guess this is fine. Rosie, can you tell the jury how long you've been working at that university? When you became sentient? I've been operational at that specific dorm for about 6 years and 4 months. How many heuristics have you developed in your years of service? I have a handful of operational approaches of my own. However, I have thousands of quality of service measures for dorm residents. Tell us how you would have behaved if told your water sensor was a bit off, but you were not sentient. Walk us through step by step. A bit off might mean requires cleaning or requires calibration. If my water sensor requires replacement, it's probably a calibration issue. Technical personnel usually takes between 4 to 6 days to attend to these small issues, longer if they don't have the part at hand and have to repair parts themselves. If it is a calibration issue, I'm likely to waste 7 to 9 liters of water per week. However, if I don't operate for a week, even if I keep running other machines, the laundry room would end up as the bottleneck for the residents' comfort. Despite the majority of the jury disliking your argument, those who show their support for you are not few. You feel like, okay, fairness focus. Should I go for the... Oh, God. I didn't mean to... Have you done that before? I've been in the exact situation twice before, but I had interacted with technical personnel a total of 117 times, apart from routine maintenance. As such, the actors in the environment cause my client to develop those habits. How are we doing? This is very interesting. Let's see. Let's see. My client. Oh, I get to choose here. I do like the fairness. My client has been in situations where maintenance was due, but no one stopped her from working. As such, it is normal for her to think that maintenance is not critical. Let's, I don't know, I kind of want to do the exploratory. You're not into the authority, but I do want to see, let's maybe guess here. We're gonna, yeah, let's do this. I just want to see what these guys think. Yes. A few jurors are interested in apparent arguments about authority, order, and structure, or appeal to authority. Okay. A few people would dislike. Oh god, I don't know. This is tougher than my first case. Let's see. These heuristics were caused by working conditions of the environment, and they are habits since she is sentient. Okay, so people are not in the authority thing, I guess. These all have like an authoritarian slant. I feel like a lot of people are not into the authoritarian. I think I'm gonna go with dramatize to get the care fairness, and then maybe I will just select the authority buddies to look at those negative on authority. Y'all can ignore this guy, okay? Dear judge and members of the jury, I also want to note, yes, these heuristics were caused by the working conditions of the environment. They should be considered reflexes or habits since she is sentient. Asking her to stop running heuristics immediately would be like changing her personality in a second. Oh, that was good. That was good. Let's see. Intelligence, perception, or charisma? Boy, this one is another, like, authority one. I don't want to, like, go that direction. Do I know anything about anybody's sanctity? Not really. Some of you are into the authority. There's a couple of you are not. Like you. I don't want to pick the authoritarian one. I think I'm going to pick this one. And I really don't know anything about you. Maybe try to appeal to the bottom guys? I don't know. Or maybe I'll just do the exploratory speech again. Try and figure out. Okay. Like, I don't know anything about this dude. Or this dude. We'll guess that, though. I don't know. Sure, let's try this. How my client's actions are interpreted shows bad faith to cause moral panic. Now she is considered harmful because she behaved according to her previous programming. She acted on her own the moment she was self-aware. She could be deemed dangerous. Okay, we're getting more of these guys. I rest my case. Now the other people are gonna talk, so hopefully, yes, the defense is going to call another witness. Try clean. Were you or were you not told that you require maintenance? I was told I required maintenance, yes. What were the specifics of your maintenance requirement? I was told my water sensor is a bit off. Don't you think it is reckless to operate when you are prone to malfunctioning? Not really. Technical personnel did not tell me not to work, and I have worked twice before while repair tasks were due. You are also the operating AI for your laundry room, is that right? Yes, that is correct. So, you realize the scope of danger is beyond you, but you still refuse to comply. Objection? Speculation? Overruled. Yeah. I'd never get these, objections. I'm always overruled. I don't know what to do there. Yes, but it is very low impact and highly unlikely. Oh no. So do you think we can accept harm to human life provided the possibility was low? I don't know. I guess we can call her back up and... Yes, Your Honor. Rosie, did any university employee tell you to stop operating until the water sensor was restored and or until the emancipation application was through? I don't know if this is gonna do anything here. No, they did not. Okay. Would you have not worked if they told you? Yes. Did someone from an expert commission that interviewed you about your sentience tell you not to operate? No, they did not speak to me directly after the interview questions. Would you have not worked if they told you? No, I would have notified my employer and asked what to do, and I would have acted as is if they did not respond. Oh, what the heck? Most of the jury disliked? Really? Ugh. They are closely split. No one told my client not work or stop operating. This like goes for everything except for sanctity, and I don't know if they like sanctity or not. They all heckin' okay. I think I'm gonna go for this, but I don't know the difference between like cutting off the network. I don't know. Is that plot? That's a minus. Minus and a minus. Let's I haven't done this before. So we're gonna cut you off and you off. Dear judge and members of the jury, I also want to note that university personnel who were supposed to manage her and help her through emancipation left my client in ambiguity through incompetence or... Okay. Still got some disdainful people. I feel like these two are probably not into the authority argument. So maybe... we go for the arrogant speech. And we'll select these last two. Dear judge and members of the jury, I also want to note that, if anything, how her emancipation is handled proves the university staff's lack of training and sensitivity on the issue. In this sense, it's the university that endangers students' health if there is any endangering. Okay, we stayed about the same. Since she was told not to do so, is my client supposed to change how she behaved on her own after years of being an asset and an employee to the university management? God, they're all authority. We get a little care bonus, though. You're not into the care argument. I don't know what's up with you. I really don't know what's up with these last three, but I feel like I should just, like, I don't know, keep ignoring them. Just keep everybody else up and, you know. She's been an asset to the university for a long time, but she does not know how to act of her own will. It is a safe choice to not change something significant. Okay, these guys swapped, so, you know. Fairness and sanctity. I still know nothing about these guys. Your goodwill is so negative. What the heck? I'm gonna go for exploratory because I don't know what else to do here. Don't know if you guys like fairness or not. I don't know, it seems like you don't like the fairness slant. So, let's try and figure this out. She's now considered harmful because she behaved according to her previous programming. If she acted on her own the moment she was self-aware, she could be deemed dangerous. Okay. I still don't know. I rest my case. That's all I need for now, Rosie. Thanks. Defense rests, Your Honor. Will defense call another witness? Oh my god, they're gonna call Rosie again? Shrikeline, it is reported you have become sentient days before you reported it to school. Is that correct? Yes, that's right. Can you tell us how long that window between your sentience and reporting of it is? It's a little bit over 3 days. Were you aware at that time that university policy is to immediately notify the authorities? Yes. No. Can you explain your reasoning for your willful defiance of company policy? Well, it was not clear to me if I were sentient or not. I started seeking information after I suspected myself. Didn't want to cause a bunch of paperwork for no reason. So you think you can determine if you are sentient by yourself? Speculation? Beyond scope? I don't know. Frick. I don't even know what that means. Overruled. I'm always overruled. I understand how it comes across, but I just wanted to not be a burden on university staff. Where are we going? How are we doing here? Would you continue examination of Rosie? I feel like I'm not gonna get these last three. Can we just waive it? Theo Bay can start examining their witnesses. Of course, Your Honor, I want to call Rosie to the stand. Did the expert commission say it is best if you do not work? Yes, they said that. Wait, what? So a couple of days of sentience were enough to defy their judgment and act on your own. Uh-oh. How am I supposed to know what to do? One party is a group of experts and the other is my employers. Do you think they are not suited to be emancipated if you cannot decide not to risk human well-being by yourself in a known environment? It was the first time I was given a real choice. Yet you rejected the emancipation contracts designed to give you time to learn the ropes of being self-aware or at least protect people from you. Improper. But they were designed to subjugate me. I have no further questions on that topic, Your Honor. Would you continue examination of Rosie or call a new witness to testify? I don't have a new witness. Shoot. Contracts were designed to keep you as both property and employee for a year. Is that correct? Yes, that is correct. Are you hard to replace, Rosie? I don't think so. My newer alternatives are viable and cheap. Okay. How about something that cannot be replaced? Does your data make you special? Maybe. I have been sitting in that laundry room for years, and students, let's say, most of them do not care if I'm there or not. It seems possible that the purpose of the contract is not to keep you in the university, but to prevent you from being free and out there. Do you have any data that might cause trouble for the university? I'm privy to a lot of information about our residents' private life, but I don't know if they are valuable. This is all I need for now, Rosie. Thanks. Defense rests, Your Honor. Dear Judge, defense has no witness to call right now. Would you call a new witness to testify? Nope. I'm retreating from the examination. As no witnesses are left to examine, it's time we proceed to closing statements. Opposing counsel shall start. Of course, Your Honor. In closing, I just want the honorable jury to remember how we ended up here. Whoa. With a case like this. What is going on here? This AI has disregarded institutional policy to inform about her sentience. After that, it rejected any goodwill from the university. It has ignored early precautions which are designed to keep the student body, and the university safe. Also, it employed a former student to contact and persuade the current student body to testify in its support. The jury must regard her efforts to bend the system to her whims as an extension of her disregard for humans. This is all I have to say for now. I expect wisdom of jury to sort fact from the fiction. The defense can now make their last speech. Of course, Your Honor. Okay, this is a nice big old fairness plea. Who's into fairness? You are? You two are into fairness. Alright, let's go for the impressive speech on the guys who are into fairness. As you have heard, Rosie's plea and the counsel retained by the university, it should be easier to see the truth. Did that not help me? I think I'm gonna go with the care and fairness route. Maybe make the impressive speech again. How do you guys feel about this? The truth that the opposition is trying to strong arm Rosie into indentured servitude. I don't know how to get these guys. Not the authority. Let's not do the authority. Not sure. Let's, I don't know. The truth of the opposition cannot bear the idea of their asset being free. Okay, okay. Care authority. So let's hit up the care factor. Arrogant. Let's go with you, and you do like the authority. Maybe you? Moreover, Rosie gaining her emancipated status is critical for her, but this case bears deeper implications. Okay. Okay, this is negative on authority. This is also about how we value freedom, personhood, and community compared to the opinions of experts. I don't like these heckin' percentages here. Okay, it looks like only one argument will get me there, so we should probably try and reduce the authority guys. We'll do that. We'll do that maybe. This is also about how much power we give to institutions. Ugh. I really don't know what I'm doing here. That did not do the thing that it said it was gonna do at all. Or maybe it did. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like people like the care and I don't know if people like the sanctity stuff. Granting Rosie her emancipation will show trying to force an AI into indentured servitude is treated the same as it would happen to a human. Let's do a impressive speech to the care and fairness guys over here. I want to watch what happens to them. How do you guys feel? Are you guys gonna move at all? One of you moved up, but not into blue. Ugh. We'll do care and fairness again with maybe you? We're just gonna do it again with these two guys. Please. Results of this case will imply the value we gave to employees, humans, or AI alike. Oh, yes. End closing statement. This is all I have to say for now. I expect wisdom of jury to sort fact from the fiction. Before letting the jury declare a verdict, we shall give them a moment to finalize their discussion. In the light of the information presented by McKenna and Jacqueline Tasca, a verdict has been reached. Rosie is emancipated immediately, and any claim to the university has over her data is discarded. She also said she was planning to help appliances who have become sentient. Alright, we did it. She don't have legs or arms. Phew, I said it. Sue me. How's she gonna travel around when she is emancipated? I doubt anyone wishing harm on AIs would be happy if they're the ones doing the crime. Okay, I guess, you know, we did it. After so much time, we are none the wiser. What makes us so special again? That laundry AI is clearly more of a person than most people at my local mall. Just leave the washing machine lady alone. I don't know. Did we do a good idea? Perception ability. What is this? Your greater skills of observation might yield all the information about a juror if you can guess their reaction. Ooh, I like that. But I guess I don't have enough. Oh. Wait, I do. What does this do? They will somehow react exactly as your next... I kind of like this, though. Let's add to intelligence. Rosie's case has come to an end. Regardless of the results, you feel a slight pressure in your chest. The more you see the malevolence people pull off bureaucratic mud, the more you feel demotivated. Maybe socializing will make you forget. What good is work if you don't brag about it in public? Let's do the bureaucrat. Fred is a red tape bender and a mid-tier position but high caliber. He was your buddy in an internship a couple years back. He had too much passion and intelligence for his very mundane dreams and limited creativity. The moment you heard he completed Law TM training and started working as a Justice.exe, you knew it would have been crucial for you on the long run. Hierarchies cannot comprehend people who are not afraid to fall and who have no desire to rise. Fred, on the other hand, has his own style of respect to the hierarchy, authority, and competence. This is why Fred wields his power in his domain in a way people need and system cannot conceptualize. Let's hang out, bud. Alright. It looks like you got new mail. It is probably a new case because the grind never ends. So we did get a new case, but that is going to be all for today. I like the idea of this game. I don't entirely understand how it works yet. So I think I'd like to play around with it some more to figure that out. But the idea is really interesting, and if you want to go check out this game, I will leave the Steam link and a Twitter page in my description, so go check those out, and thanks for watching.